Hello, welcome to Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to live stream video on Bigo Live. So the first step you have to take is to log into your Bigo Live app. Click on the camera icon found at the bottom of your screen. Select the kind of game you want to play. Click on select the particular here, kind of game. Click on video. Now click on OK. Click on start now. So when you click on start now, if this is your first time, it will take you to turn on display over app for Bigo. So you just have to display Bigo Live over other app. If it's your first time, it take you to the new page where you have to do that. So this is not my first time, so I just have to click on start now. Clicking on start now, I have to go to my home page, select the kind of video that I want to live stream on my Bigo Live, and this will be showing live streamed on my Bigo Live. So guys, that is it on how to live stream video on Bigo Live. If this video was helpful, do want to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.